classroom current affairs course. Although I actively never used to watch the videos, but then I would always keep the tab of, acha, this is the topic that sir has covered in the current affairs class for this paper. And I remember for mains also you had taken out a compilation of important topics. I would just have them. It helped in revising. कि अच्छा ये this tick 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 ये हो गया ये हो गया ये हो गया. So those way, I mean, I would always like keep it कि अच्छा ये कर लिया ये कर लिया. Those list of topics I would always be on a lookout. And if I ever have to appear again for the prelims or let's say the UPSC any stage, I will again take out the compilation and be like, sir, what are the topics for this year? Because it provides a very good list of things to quickly revise and have that sense of security and confidence. I think mental confidence is very important for even sitting for the exam at every stage, because there is this perpetual FOMO feeling that, oh no. And I remember sir would always tell me that, Sneha, have the joy of missing out. Don't have this fear of missing out.
If you also want to qualify CSE Prelims 2024, then you should not miss this 900 plus most important current affairs topics before you enter the examination hall. So yes, we are going to release a topic list like last year, and in fact you will check, if you will check our video, you will find that last year we released 760 most important current affairs topics for UPSC CSE Prelims 2023. So this you should not miss at all. And last year it has benefited many students. क्या है, कैसा है, कैसे यूटिलाइज करना है, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू एवरीथिंग. सो इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? बिकॉज आपने देखा कि लास्ट ईयर हमने रिलीज किया 30 क्वेश्चंस इस टॉपिक लिस्ट से आए थे. 30 क्वेश्चंस आए थे करंट अफेयर्स के हमारे क्लास से. करंट अफेयर्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. करंट अफेयर्स अगर कोई आपको ये कह रहा है दैट करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन आते नहीं हैं, इट इज फ्यूटाइल एफर्ट टू रीड, देन दे आर ट्राइंग टू बी फूल यू, बिकॉज करंट अफेयर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन द पास्ट ऑल्सो यूपीएससी हैव ask questions on current affairs either directly or indirectly. They weave the information and they present in front of you. Sometimes it also happens question आपके सामने होगा लेकिन आपको पता नहीं होगा कि वो current affairs का है, but the context why they are asking is because of the current affairs. You must have seen our video on मन कौतूहल, और ऐसी बहुत सारे questions हैं जो current affairs की वजह से ही UPSC ने पूछे हैं. This is importance of the current affairs. Now talking about this topic list, so last year we presented it in this format, topics you must cover before you enter the examination hall. 23 में 762 topics हमने release किए थे. How do we present it? We give a list of topics and in front of that we write context, that why it was in news, reference, क्यों न्यूज में था, वाई इन न्यूज. सो वाई इन न्यूज को देख के आपको ये इंपॉर्टेंस पता चलेगी एंड ये टॉपिक लिस्ट आपके सामने है कि अच्छा ये इस मंथ में ये न्यूज में था, I should not miss it. So this is how you should utilize this topic. So whenever you will get this topic list, you have to refer it. अच्छा ये topic मैंने cover कर लिया, ये मैंने cover कर लिया. Okay, this was in context because of this. So whatever your sources are, don't change your sources. If you think if you are still struggling with current affairs, definitely our course is available. But whatever your sources are, don't change your sources. You just see whether you have read this particular topic in your source or not. अभी तक आपका सोर्स आपको पता होगा, आपका ये टॉपिक्स उस सोर्स में क्या क्या कवर हुए ये भी पता होगा. सो क्विकली स्कैन करो कि ये टॉपिक आपने कवर किया है कि नहीं. कवर किया है, टिक. चेकलिस्ट की तरह इस टॉपिक लिस्ट को यूज करना है, चेक, यस कवर किया है. अगर नहीं कवर किया है, रीड द कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड सी ओके व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इट. यू कैन इमीडिएटली गूगल एंड टेक अ नोट ऑफ एवरीथिंग, राइट. दिस इज हाउ you have to utilize this topic list. So this is definitely last year's topic list. Similarly, we are coming up with 2024 ka topic compendium of 920 topics. So this compendium you can get easily by clicking on the link below, which is given in the description box. So make best use of this topic list, and indeed we are very excited that even this year we will get lot of questions from our topic list. और ये topics हैं कहाँ से? ये topics वो current affairs के topic हैं जो हमने अपने current affairs classes में अपने test series में cover किए हैं, right? So this is very holistic coverage. It is going to definitely help you. Make best use of it. लिंक पे क्लिक करो, डाउनलोड करो, प्रिंट आउट लो और एक चेकलिस्ट की तरह यूज करो. दिस इज नॉट एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल फॉर यू, राइट? सो ऑल द बेस्ट. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.